Spring in Kentucky this year tells a tale of two elements: relentless rain and unexpected snowfall. The Ohio River in Louisville stands as a testament to nature's power. Its waters sullen beyond their usual boundaries. The river, which typically flows at a steady, measured pace, now surges with the weight of recent downpours. As I watched the river, I happened to see a large barge moving swiftly downstream, carried by the force of the higher water level. Its presence added to the scene's intensity, a reminder of how nature and human activity intertwine on these waterways. Yet, just beyond the river's reach, a different scene unfolds. At Locust Grove, the world is transformed into a breathtaking winter wonderland. A blanket of snow drips over the historic land, softening and silencing the echoes of the storm. The trees stand still, their branches elegantly adorned with fresh snow powder, creating a quiet place contrast to the restless river. Here, time seems to pause, allowing nature to reclaim the moment of quiet beauty. Together, these two visions, one of water's relentless force, the other of snow's gentle embrace, paint a vivid portrait of Kentucky's unpredictable spring. Rain swells the rivers, snow dusts the land, and in between, the fleeting beauty of the season unfolds before our eyes.